Oh, hey guys, I was just crying a little bit. I'll explain that in a bit, but welcome to today's show. Today's March 12th, 2018. Let's get to it. But before I tell you why I'm sad, let's go over last week's picks. First off, we got GRMN, and that one is up 2.37% from last week. And I'm keeping a close eye on that one because I might actually jump into it. It's still a great buy at this point. So if I get the opportunity, I will jump into it. Next off, we got HFC, and that one is up 3.53, which is really good, guys. And it probably will start going down once it's the 50-day moving average. But for now, I mean, I won't get into it right now because it went up a little bit too high. So, but as you guys can see, it was a great company to buy a week ago. And last up, we got MDR, and that one is up 2.8%. It did go down a little bit, which I wanted it to, and it hit that target price, and it shot up to 2.80%, which is pretty good. And it seems to be moving with the 50-day moving average. So if I was in that trade, I would just ride along that 50-day moving average until it starts going down. And why am I sad, guys? Because of this update. So this morning, I got a text saying, have you seen OCLR? And I had not. Usually once the stock goes up too high for me, I usually take it off my watch list. And if it comes up again on my report, then I'll take a look at it again, but it had not. But this morning, from the point I sold it till today, this stock went up 43.41%, guys. Just today, I think it went up 27% and change. So from last week, I mentioned that I shouldn't have sold it because it, per my rules, it was telling me to still hold, but I got a little anxious and I sold it. And this is why you hold it. On the light side though, I did use that to buy a CORT, C-O-R-T, and I'm up 13.82% on that one. So I really missed out in 30%, which is 29.59, but about 30%. So it does hurt, but that's the market, guys. I can't cry, I can't think about this, I can't get mad. It is what it is, and I'll eventually hit something else that's similar to OCLR, and you know, it's just part of the market. So I don't get sad or cry. It was just a show. So let's go to the this week's top picks that I'm looking at. And the first company I'm looking at is DR Horton Inc., which is ticker symbol DHI, and I would plan to buy that at $44.20 and sell at $46. That would give me a profit of 4.07. Not the greatest, but still pretty decent. Recently there was news, I think it was last week, it gave a rating from neutral to outperform. Usually with those news, it's just a one-day thing, then it goes away. So it dropped a little bit that day, but I'm not really worried about it, to be honest with you. And the only thing I would be waiting for to get in is for it to drop to $44.20. But it's pretty much ready. So if I get out of another position, I might think of jumping on this one, but it's a really good company. And the next company I'm looking at is KB Home, which is ticker symbol KBH. And I would plan to buy that one at $29.60, sell at $32.50 for a profit of 9.8%. Anything over 6%, I think, is perfect, guys. So I really like that margin right there. Recently in the news, they've been opening new neighborhoods. They're a home building company, so showing that they've been active is always a good thing. And the only thing I would be waiting for is the price to drop to $29.60. It's currently trading above that, but it's pretty much ready for me to buy this. Everything's lined up perfectly, so I'm keeping a close eye on this one. And the last company I'm looking at is Sunstone and Hotel Investors Inc., which is ticker symbol SHO. And I would plan to buy that one at $14.80, sell at $15.50. That would give me a profit of 4.73. And of course, these are all just estimates. If I do see it running up per the chart, I will stick to it and keep getting those profits. Currently in the news, there's nothing going on, and I am waiting for it to drop to 1480. It's currently trading a little bit above that, but it's pretty much ready, guys. Everything has lined up per my rules, so it's a great buy, and I am definitely looking at this company. So the lesson for today is don't get mad or sad if a stock doesn't go your way. It's gonna happen once in a while, and you just have to accept it. Make sure that you're following your rules and you're always learning, because that will always keep you on top of the game. But I want to know your thoughts, guys, so leave a comment down below. And while you're down there, might as well just click the like and the subscribe, and I will see you guys in the comments. Ciao.